Jacanas are a family of tropical wading birds that belong to the family Jacanidae. They are known for their long legs, long toes, and unique ability to walk on floating vegetation in search of food. Here are a few species of Jacanas. Northern Jacana, Jacana spinosa. This species is found in the Americas, ranging from the southern United States to northern Argentina. Wattled Jacana, Jacana. The wattled jacana is a widespread species found in tropical regions of the Americas, sub-Saharan Africa, and southern Asia. African jacana, Actophilonis africanus. The African jacana is native to sub-Saharan Africa, known for its distinctive long toes and impressive ability to navigate lily pads. Comb-crested jacana, Iridipora gallinaceae. This species is found in Australia, New Guinea, and parts of Southeast Asia. It has a unique comb-like crest on its head. The lifespan of jacanas can vary depending on the species and various environmental factors. Generally, smaller species of jacanas tend to have shorter lifespans compared to larger species. On average, jacanas can live anywhere from 5 to 10 years in the wild. However, it's worth noting that there have been recorded instances of jacanas living longer. For example, some individuals of the African jacana, Actophilonis africanus, have been reported to live up to 15 years or more. In captivity, where they may receive specialized care, jacanas can potentially live even longer. It's important to remember that lifespan can be influenced by several factors, including predation, habitat conditions, availability of resources, and disease. These factors can impact the overall survival and longevity of jacanas in their natural environments. Jacanas have several distinct features that make them visually unique. Here are some of the common characteristics of jacanas. Body shape. Jacanas have a streamlined body shape with long legs, long toes, and a relatively short tail. Their bodies are adapted for walking on floating vegetation. Plumage. Jacanas typically have colorful plumage, which varies among species. They often have a combination of black, brown, and white feathers. Some species may have additional markings, such as spots or stripes, on their bodies. Long toes. One of the most noticeable features of jacanas is their long toes, which are adapted for walking on floating vegetation. These long toes help distribute their weight and prevent them from sinking into the plants. Bill. Jacanas have a relatively long and slender bill, which they use to forage for food. The shape and size of the bill can differ slightly between species. Head and neck. Their heads are relatively small, and they have a slender neck. The head is usually adorned with a colorful crown or dome, which can be particularly striking in some species. Size. Jacanas range in size, with larger species measuring around 30-40 centimeters, 12-16 inches, in length, including their long toes.